and 36 seconds.
4 minutes na agad.
Cunanan to Momo Isles. Oh, still by Dulgulao. Pass Isles. Pulling up on 0 to Pacquiao. He fakes, he fires. No. On the putback, it's good. 4 minutes for the fourth and final quarter. Cunanan to Momo Isles on the baseline. High time. No. Rebound by Villeras. Last touch on referee. Substitution.
Station referee daw.
To Pacquiao. Short. Rebound by Viterbo. Pass break to Dulgulao. Lamang 192. Our score. Lataya from downtown. Let's go!
5.
3 minutes.
Bitaw.
Japanese man.
Kung ngayon, hindi po. Sumisakit ako.
Pacquiao. Foul on number 8.
Ito na.
Reds Kevin's balot.
Set card ko ni Balo.
Running for penalty.
Nabuti. Katuwa siya.
Cunanan. Bounce pass to Pacquiao from downtown. Galing!
4 na.
8 3 points from Pacquiao.
Walang score na ni Patrick. Obon.
The golden hand.
35 na may.
Balot, crossover move by Balot. Back pass to Viterbo.
Shoot ang kalaban. Wala na.
Cunanan to Latayan from downtown. Tamo!
Isa na.
Latayan 3 points. Score is
Luka.
Cunanan from Pacquiao. Short. Rebound by Cunanan. Let's go!
Naupo na.
2 minutes and 6 seconds.
Sabi ko.
Pacquiao, he fakes, he fires, go! Rebound by Viterbo. 1 minute.